You talking? You got a balloon. Hey, baby. Can you look at Mama? Hi. Elliot, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Say hi. How big is Elliot? So big. Elliot, can you dance? Can you dance? Elliot, can you dance? You gonna play music? Can you dance? You want your balloon. Can you say hi? You're sleepy. Elliot, look at me. Hi. Can you say hi? You like waving to everybody but me. There it is. Hi, Grandma. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. How big is Elliot? So big. Oh, good job. Elliot, can you dance? Dance. Oh, yeah. Get into it, baby. Say, I love you. Ooh. You chewing that balloon, it's gonna pop. You've got 2 top teeth coming in. Yeah. Ha. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Bye, Grandma. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?